Ulster architect Patrick Bradley hit the national news in 2019 when Kevin MacLeod of Grand Designs named his studio as his favourite self-build in all the years he's been fronting the programme. The additional exposure has opened a lot of doors.
I got a surprising call from Brian McCracken from BA, crazy brilliant company, and he wanted me to get involved in the Blossom Avenue brand. And for me, it was an easy call. It was something that I was excited to work with and something I was actually really proud to work with, because the main part of anything in my head, you've got design, you've got budget, and you've got time and quality. They have that in abundance.
That company, BA, is based nearby at Cookstown. To get the business going in 1990, founder Brian McCracken had to sell his cherished motorbike. A tough call, but it's paid off.
We're a large business now, but we still try and keep the family atmosphere. It's very much about the people. You build a rapport with someone, be it a customer, be it an employee, be it a supplier, and you try and do the best for them at the best price, and that makes the difference.
Brian was soon joined by his twin brother Kieran, and together they've steered the company through some difficult times to become one of the UK market leaders, with a turnover of more than £30 million and exports to 30 countries. It's a point of pride for BA that the vast majority of the company's materials are sourced in the UK, and the components are manufactured and assembled either here or in their 2 factories in South Yorkshire. Another key principle is to use no manufacturing equipment that's more than 5 years old.
We're always investing in new machinery, and not only in just new machinery off the shelf, but designing our own machines that suit us, making improvement in speed and quality to get the customer faster, a better quality, faster turnaround.
The brothers stepped back from the day-to-day running of the company in 2017, but they've been closely involved in a key strategic decision: to move into the consumer market, supplying complete kitchens under the Blossom Avenue brand. The brand was officially launched at KBB, the industry's major event, at the NEC in March 2020.
KBB has been a huge success for us again. I think the key thing for this year is that we're putting all the key elements of our business together in terms of our cabinets through our click cabinet system and our doors, and now offering a full solution. And also, in addition to that, we have our Blossom Avenue brand. It's absolutely full solution for all of our key customers.
Remember we saw that one in the... Coming home from Birmingham, we didn't stop talking. It's great, we're just so enthused by everything we saw, all the lovely colours, all the finishes, all the new things that have kind of come on board.
I think it's the range of doors, the different sort of looks they have, and it's a pleasure to sell them, isn't it?
It's
it really
very
is.
exciting,
Very,
yeah. It's, you know, a bit like being an artist with a great palette. You know, we've got all the colours, you've got all the brushes, you've got all the templates. You know, you can create great stuff. So that's what really makes you tick. It's what makes you want to get up in the morning and come to work and create great things. When you get that sort of reaction.
It's all about the end user. It's all about the client. All our projects, we try and get into the head of that end user and how we can create their dreams come true. And that's what makes a successful project. No, together I think we really are going to excel. I'm really looking forward to it. But sky's the limit.